Hello everyone, I am Manish Pandey and welcome back to the UiPath Document Understanding video series. In this video, we are going to explore cloud-based UiPath Document Understanding. So as of now, you have gone through the DU framework where you have seen how to use taxonomy, digitization, classification, extraction, export, validation, training, those things from UiPath Studio. Now, if you see this UiPath Document Understanding Portal, you might be wondering what is this. So, this is the UiPath cloud-based document understanding portal where you can start creating your project. You can process structured and semi-structured documents, and also we have unstructured and complex documents where you can see this is in the preview mode. You can register your interest in the UiPath Insider. Let's talk about what is UiPath Document Understanding Portal. UiPath Document Understanding is a web-based portal where you can create, train, and manage DU models that extract data from documents like invoices, contracts, ID cards, receipts, and more. UiPath Document Understanding Portal is designed to make document understanding process easier and more guided, which helps you create and manage DU projects easily, upload sample documents, label and annotate fields visually, train your own extraction models, and later consume those models inside UiPath Studio. Since it's a cloud based portal platform, you can access it from anywhere, anytime. No need to install software. Just log in and you are ready to build smart document automation solutions here. Now, if you are a first time user of UiPath Document Understanding Portal and you do not see this here in this list, then you need to enable the document understanding service in your tenant. For that, you need to right click and open, then select the tenant on which you want to enable the document understanding from the list of services. Now click on services. Now search for the document understanding from this card. You'll see this is the document understanding. If this is disabled like this way, you need to click on the three options, this three dot, and then enable this if this is disabled, and then you will able to access that. Now on the UiPath document understanding portal, you will see this is divided into 3 to 4 sections, we can say. Here we have create a project on the structured and semi-structured documents, unstructured and complex documents. For that, we need to register that. This is in the preview mode. Here you see the table and then quick start in the studio. And then here you see use the document understanding capabilities with the APIs. REST APIs, we have framework and document manager. We'll start one by one. So the first, you see structured and semi-structured documents. And this is what most of us work with. Things like invoices, receipts, tax forms, etc. We click on the create projects, and then here you see UiPath gives us two ways to build projects: classic and modern. Classic, which is more advanced and gives you full control, and modern, which is a guided experience, great for beginners or those who want to try a new DU features. Next, we have unstructured and complex documents. So this is still in the preview mode and it's more for the advanced scenario like extracting the data from the unstructured and complex documents. You need to register your interest in the UiPath Insider. And for that, you should have a work email ID, not a personal email ID. Now here you see the table where you can see the list of projects that's already created. You can say this is the existing DU projects. The first column is name, which says the project name. So we have already existing projects like DU project and the purchase order. You'll also see that which type of project is this. Is this a classic project or modern project? Second column is document type, which shows the kind of documents used in that project, like 1040 or purchase order, invoice, like that. And then third column you see for creation date. I mean, when you created that project. Here you see right side, quick start in the studio. You can upload a sample document to create a template automation in the studio. Means this allow you to open the project directly in the studio web. Now it's called UiPath Studio itself. This is called Studio, we can say. And you can start automating your documents processing by providing a sample documents, and you can automate that document processing in a minute, we can say. So it's using a template to work on the documents based on your sample document. So this was the overview and explanation of this UiPath Document Understanding Cloud Portal. We'll go one by one in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.